Hello friends, welcome back to Multi Question World. Today we are going to discuss some important questions for international MLT exams. Let us start. Question number 1. Metabolic alkalosis is characterized by option A, excess of bicarbonate, option B, deficit of bicarbonate, option C, excess of dissolved carbon dioxide, option D, deficit of dissolved carbon dioxide. The right answer is option A, excess of bicarbonate. Question number 2. Respiratory acidosis is characterized by option A, excess of bicarbonate, option B, deficit of bicarbonate, option C, excess of dissolved carbon dioxide, option D, deficit of dissolved carbon dioxide. Which one of the following cause respiratory acidosis? The right answer is option C, excess of dissolved carbon dioxide. Question number 3. When measuring potassium using an iron selective electrode, the membrane is composed of option A, glass, option B, plastic, option C, silver, option D, valinomycin. The right answer is option D, valinomycin. Next question. The composition of the electrode used to measure blood pH is option A, glass, option B, plastic, option C, silver, option D, valinomycin. The options look like similar as that of previous question, but the question is different, so read it carefully. The right answer is option A, glass. The composition of the electrode used to measure blood pH is glass. Question number 5. The laboratory method of choice for detecting cystic fibrosis. Option A, serum chloride, option B, amylase, option C, lipase, option D, sweat test. Which of the following method is used for detecting cystic fibrosis? The right answer is option D, sweat test. Question number 6. In cystic fibrosis, which sweat electrolytes are elevated? Option A, calcium and chloride, option B, chloride and sodium, option C, sodium and potassium, option D, potassium and chloride. In cystic fibrosis, which sweat electrolytes are elevated? The right answer is option B. Chloride and sodium will elevate during cystic fibrosis. Question number 7. Which of the following clinical disorders are associated with magnesium deficiency? Option A, tetany, option B, convulsions, option C, abnormal cardiac rhythm, option D, both A and C, and the last option is all of the above. The right answer is option E, all of the above. Tetany, convulsions, abnormal cardiac rhythm are associated with magnesium deficiency. Question number 8. The iron transport protein found in blood, ferritin, albumin, transferrin or gamma globulin. Which of the following is the iron transport protein found in blood? The right answer is ferritin. The iron transport protein found in blood is ferritin. Question number 9. Most abundant protein in mammals is option A, collagen, option B, albumin, option C, hemoglobin, option D, elastin. Which of the following protein is seen most abundantly in mammals? The right answer is option A, collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein seen in mammals. Question number 10. Aromatic amino acid can be detected by option A, Sakaguchi reaction, option B, Million's reaction, option C, Hopkins-Cole reaction. Option D, xanthoprotic reaction. Aromatic amino acids can be detected by which of the following method? The right answer is option D, xanthoprotic reaction. Question number 11. Chromatographic separation based upon differential distribution of compounds between two solvents is known as option A, adsorption chromatography, option B, partition chromatography, option C, thin layer chromatography, and option D, column chromatography. Which of the following type of chromatography is based on differential distribution of compounds between two solvents? The right answer is partition chromatography. Question number 12. A dicarboxylic amino acid among the following is option A, aspartate, option B, lysine, option C, arginine, option D, tyrosine. Which of the following is a dicarboxylic amino acid? The right answer is option A, aspartate. Question number 13. A branched chain amino acid. Which of the following is a branched chain amino acid? Option A, alanine, option B, valine, option C, threonine, option D, lysine. The right answer is option B, valine. Valine is a branched chain amino acid. Question number 14. An OH group is present in the side chain of option A, serine, option B, arginine, option C, lysine, option D, proline. OH group is present in the side chain of which of the following amino acid? The right answer is option A, serine. Question number 15. All of the following have aliphatic side chains except option A, glycine, option B, leucine, option C, alanine, option D, valine. Which of the following do not possess aliphatic side chain? The right answer is option A, glycine. Glycine does not possess aliphatic side chains. Next question. Plasma lipoproteins can be separated by. The right answer is ultracentrifugation. Today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist, and if you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe. New videos will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. Thank you.